Alesha has dialysis 3 to 4 times a week here. She has kidney disease, and so she comes in for dialysis, and once she's on the machine, she's on it for about 4 hours. Unfortunately, she's only restricted to 600 mils a day of fluid, and it's really difficult because Alesha loves drinking fluid, don't you? Things like desserts, custards, yogurts, that's all counted as fluid. Her medication is fluid, and she prefers to have a drink afterwards with every single one because some of them taste horrendous. So it's very restricting. Well, Alesha taking tablets is much better, isn't it? Because Alesha used to say, I don't like the taste of all the medicine. It's not nice. And she'd have a drink afterwards. So now she can have about 4 tablets in one go at times with the same amount of fluid. So she's not drinking extra, and I can remove that fluid of medication and all the extra drinking from her fluid restriction, so she can drink more at lunchtime, for dinner, with her dessert. So she gets to drink more of things she likes to drink. What are the staff like, eh?
Good.
Good. They're amazing, aren't they? They're like a second family to us, and it's really, really nice. We have the same team. It's an amazing team, the same nurses, and we are here so much that they are a second family. They're amazing. Do you prefer your tablets to your liquid? Yeah? Why?
Tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing.